please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello everyone, good morning, and I hope all of you have a nice day, have a great day, and today we're going to start the day. So it's already 11 a.m. here, and we're going to start working. So
and now come out. Turn to the right more. Straighten the wheels. Stop. All right. Turn the wheels more to the right. More. More. Go ahead. More. Up another 4 feet. All right, straighten the wheels. You're doing real good. A little more. Turn the wheels a little more. A little more to the right. A little more. Okay, now straighten it back up. Perfect. Come on back. You're doing real good. Up. A little more to the right. That's good. Back up. Slower. Much slower. Hold your foot on the brake. That's it.
wow, perfect. Guys, this is the tarp that we're going to cover to our motorhome for this one until there. So I have to go up and pull it there until to the front, while my husband also helping me to pull it because I'm lighter than him, so I have to go up. Because right now we can, because of this weather, we cannot start the restoration of this one outside the camper, outside this motorhome. Only inside we can start some part.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. An old spoon, that would be good right now. For the top. And it will leak down the side, but if I can get one tube there, it'd be great.
So all we have to do is seal it on the top.
And after that, after you get you're ready to put the canvas on.
Well, I'm ready, you know.
not really. You gotta get rid of that snow where the shovel is. Where the snow is.
Ah, so I have to shovel first the snow.
Get as much snow
Okay.
within reason off
Okay, sure. I will get my gloves.
Yeah, get as much snow as you can.
Guys, I'm going to go up there. Take with me the shovel to remove the snow on the top of the motorhome. So guys, look at my shovel, so small. And for my husband is the other one, the aluminum one. It's so handy. So we're going to bring it upstairs, up on the top of the motorhome. So guys, this is the top of the motorhome, and we're going to remove the snow here. That's what I'm going to do. And with my cute shovel. So natapos na guys, nawala na yung snow. So i-prepare naman natin mamaya. Ikabit yung, ilagay yung tarp, pinaka-cover. But for now, bababa muna tayo. Hirap pala pag may gloves. You know guys, the job that I did is $50 an hour. So I spent already 1 hour on the top of this motorhome to remove the snow. So I earned $50 now.
Yeah, but what my humor is people driving by
Yeah, they're stopping by and looking on me.
Yeah, seeing brown sugar up there shoveling and the old man.
So that is your part.
Alright, one time.
Yeah. I'm going to sit here and watch you.
No, you're going to sit there and lift up that end.
Okay. Oh, without me you cannot do anything.
What a smart ass. I was able to get it down. Hang on. Higher. And then leg. And down. Oh, fuck me. It's supposed to.
I'll do it for you.
Oh,
Wait.
too high, you're right.
Let me do it, okay?
Yeah.
Don't, let me do
Gotta go
it.
under.
Yes, we're fighting eh.
Yeah, we're fighting each other. Your hands.
You see? It's a slide like that. Oh, get out.
I will as soon as you get some. You're going to get up in there and push. Oh, there we go. Lay down. Yeah.
Arrange it. It's not nice. Make it straight.
That's all the leg does.
No.
It lays like that to push it in. That's what it's supposed to do.
It should be straight.
No, it shouldn't. Look at, you're sitting here, right? You're having your tea, right?
It's not balanced. I can see here. Remove your...
This
oh my
is it.
goodness. You're not listening.
I'm listening. Okay, what is it you want?
There. Now it's perpendicular.
I have my hands on it. What the fuck was different?
No, the difference is this one like this. It should be like this.
No.
Perpendicular.
No, it's not supposed to be. Not in this model. Okay, I'll tell you why. All right, show me how you're going to make it perpendicular.
No,
You're not.
it's perpendicular.
No, it's not.
You cannot admit. I'm right.
You can't admit I'm right. No, they have a slant to hold it in.
Hi guys, just finished a break time and now we're going to continue to put on the top of the motorhomes the tarp to cover it. I already removed all the snow on the top of the motorhome. Now we're going to bring this one up there.
I've done this a couple of times. One time. Well, these are the hardest ones to do because this is so big. This one's a hard one to do because it's so long. Let me see what we got here. We got a zipper. Which side is the inside?
You know, actually, that's why I did not put there earlier. I want to flat it there to see that one.
Okay. What? You think this is the front?
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, I'll turn it around. I'm thinking. Yeah, you think. I got this. The right side and kind of drag it down. If you can't unhook it, I'll come up. For some reason it's caught there on a vent or something. They're not listening. Okay, ladder. I'll do it. So pull the whole thing back to the button.
Ayan na guys, we already attached the cover of motorhome. It's now fully covered, and here there is a zipper so you can still open the door. And this is it. Ready. Fully covered, so it doesn't matter rain or shine, snow, the motorhome already protected. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.